Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me Samuel J, who can help you to learn English in simple way. Hello everyone, welcome back with me Samuel J. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about have and has. So I will exhibit you how to use have and has in the English sentence. Thus, we use have or has to exhibit possession. But let me tell you first, have and has are different forms of the verb to have. Even though they come from the same word, but there are slight differences in the way they're used. So let's move on. How to use have first. Have is used with I, you, we, and they. Again, have used with I, you, we, and they. And they, right? So we say that I have, you have, we have, and they have. We don't say that I has, you has, we has, and they has. That's the biggest mistake. Alright, so how about has? That's the really nice question. Let's see how to use have. How to use has. Has is used with third person singular subjects. He, she, and it. Again, she, he, and it. So we can say that she has, he has, it has. Remember, it here could function as an animal or things. So we use has, it has. Alright, it is very easy. You just have to remember it and practice at your home. Then you can elevate your English as the years roll on, right? Okay, let's do some practice together. I have a book. We use have. I have a book. We don't say I has a book. She has white skin. We use has. She has. They have balloons. They have balloons. We use have. The cat has a bone. The cat has a bone. Or we can say it has a bone. Because this is an animal. Because the subject is an animal. So we can say it has. Or the cat has a bone. Alright. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next video.